It's my first YouTube video. Actually on a sneaker I've been pretty excited about ever since I first heard about the release. Some of you may know what it is, some of you may not. We'll get into it though. Shit. See the box, the SBs, That's just my personal stuff from StockX, confirming the order and everything. Look at this shit. Shit, let me get them both out the box so you guys can see them and everything. StockX sticker, my bad. Let's put this down real quick. Ever since I first heard about this sneaker, man, I've been excited for it because Paul Rodriguez, a dope skater, and I'm Mexican. He's representing our people in this shoe, so it's something real cool for me. There's some cool little stuff that he added too. Usually he added this little, I don't know if you guys can see it, had this little tag. It's pretty sick, On the tongue, it's obviously Paul Rodriguez's name, and I was looking into the shoe. It said if he wasn't a skater, he would go to boxing, and I thought it was pretty interesting, So he added that to the tongue of the shoe, like a belt or a championship, you would say. Just the bottoms. I'm really liking this though. I find it super sick. Just, all around. You got that going all the way. It's a solid shoe in my opinion. And then if you want to go mix match, man, you go ahead and got the green laces right here, The leather on this is super good. I like this, to be honest. This is a really nice leather, man. I feel like it's better than the one that they use on Air Jordans. Personally, I feel like it's better. It's a solid shoe. I got the green and the red, man. It's a sick shoe. I'm really digging this. Yeah, man, I'm really liking this shoe. Soon enough, I'll probably make a video and get on feet review, see how you guys like it, if you guys even watch this video, It's a solid shoe though. I'm really fucking with this. Loving it. And I mean, if you guys want to get more into, if you guys want to follow me on socials, I have my Instagram. I'll actually link them down below in the description. And then, I don't know if you guys hear the music in the back. If you like it, I'll link that too. But these are solid, man. I'm gonna definitely be wearing these soon. I'm gonna be rocking these. Alright, well, I'm new to this, but whoever's watching this, thank you for tuning in, man. Appreciate it. really just trying to push this YouTube and sneaker more up. You know, I love sneakers. Something I always loved in my life. And it'd be cool if I can make something out of it, you know? Alright, well, that's it. But I'll see you guys later. Have a blessed day.